ginagawa mo?
Ethan! Hi! Ethan! Hi!
You guys remember this place? Dito ni Meg yung ginawa. Dito ko try mo ko. Dito ni Meg
all the way to the front. Hello, come to the front, please. Yes, come to the front. Sit closer to me so that I can protect you and you can protect me too. Yeah, don't be shy. Come to the front. I promise I won't bite you. I'm not a crocodile. Please sit properly. Turn around and sit down, please. Yeah, sit down, please. Alright.
No picture that one.
Wait 2 moments.
Ethan!
Oh, he's fine. Thank you so much. Alright, let's turn around and wave goodbye to my first step on the go. Bye bye. We're going to have an adventure and we've been there to see them again. Welcome to the world famous Strangle River Cruise. I'll be a keeper for the next 5 exciting days and 10 romantic nights. My name is Kira. Hello everyone. Hi. It's fine if I remind you that this is a water ride, so you may get wet. Please take care of your electronic devices. Parents, please watch your children. And the most important thing is during the ride, please remain seated. Do not stand up and don't put any part of your body outside the boat. Alright, let's start our adventure. You can look at our right-hand side first. And you will know what place is it. Yes, we're now very sure how you're so smart. You're the smartest external of my mouth. Thank you. It's a Tarzan street house. I'm sorry that Tarzan goes also have a dangerous thing today, so he's not home. So Tarzan show is closed for today. We can't visit him today. Maybe next time if we come again, try if you can visit him. Yeah, there's a Hannah Jackie, you're so cute. And there's an entrance, the mother elephant and the baby elephant welcoming us. Let's say hello to them together. Hello, yeah. The mother elephant is teaching the baby elephant how to use his trunk. So cute. On the other side, the brother elephant is playing filling with water and having a shower for all day long. He's so naughty. Yeah, he must be underwater for too long. It's a father Ethan. Oh, he wants to make us wet, but he missed. So let's get past before he comes up again. Yeah, wait, I think he's coming up again. Let's go. It's alright. We're now entering to an ancient temple. On our left hand side, there are some giant spiders. Yeah. These type of spiders can jump over 20 feet. But it's alright, we're only 10 feet apart, so if they jump, they will jump over upwards and go to the opposite side. In front of us, this is the
Snake.
go with 2 snakes. Wait, I remember that from the relatives and all. No, it's a shoelace. This way. Yeah, this is the largest and longest poison snake in the jungle. Be careful, don't be bite by it. Actually, everything you see in the jungle wants to bite you and they can, so keep all your body parts inside the boat. Look at the crocodiles, man-eating crocodiles, opening their mouth and waiting for us to eat their food. Seems like they're very hungry. Oh, actually, it's almost them having a sleep, so let's just don't wake them up. I will head as a campsite set up by Professor Potter to study gorillas. Where is Professor Potter? Why are the gorillas having a party here? They're holding it down. Let's go. I'm sorry, gorillas, I don't have any bananas. And welcome to Africa. So many zebras here. So anyone know what's the difference between a male zebra and a female zebra? Male zebras are black with white stripes. Female zebras are white with black stripes. This is the 2 most beautiful in the jungle. His wife is the number 1. They are having a honeymoon, so let's don't disturb them anymore. Yeah, hippos! We arrived to the hippos pool. These hippos are 6,000 pounds heavy. Wow, so smart! They never brush their teeth. You guys are so afraid that they're scared by the hippos, right? This is like my last thought of gas here doing now. That's why I tell you to remain seated and stay inside, my girls. They didn't listen to me, so I'm not going to rescue them. And look at the skeletons! We can go. It means that we are getting into the territory of the headhunters. So from now on, we need to keep quiet. Beware, they can smell fear. Them, otherwise there will be run out of poisonous gas. Yeah, I can stay a headhunter, so let's have a chat together. Is your head still here? Have a chat. Yeah, you can stay a headhunter. Anyone miss your head? If you're missing your head, please raise up your hand. Yes, we said, okay, no, everything we will go back to the door. This will be the end of the Oh no, I wanted to go back to the dog. I'm so tired. We're forced into the forbidden canyon of gods. This place is protected by the god of fire and the god of water. We are not allowed to come into here. What should we do? There's no way out of the ground. Oh no! The god of fire is angry. The god of fire, please come with us. There's no way out of the prison. No way back. Can the god of water help us here? Out of danger for real this time. We can finally go back to the job.
No more. Thank
Oh, it's the baby elephants. The baby elephant we met at the entrance. It's on my left hand side now. Hi, baby elephant. Why are you here? Oh. He's still practicing how to use his trunk. Oh, so cute. Just don't make us wet, alright? Otherwise, I'll tell your mother. Okay, are you ready to say goodbye to the baby elephant? Let's say goodbye together. Bye bye. Yeah, we will go back to the dog soon, so please remain seated and keep all your body parts, including elbows, inside the boat. Including elbows. Little boy, please. His hand. His hand. The elbows, yeah. Put it inside. So that we can go back to the door. Thank you. We'll go back to the door now. Please wait until we go back to the door and I said that my boat is stopped. Then you can leave my boat exit at the middle or at the back. Just do not climb over my glass windows. These are glass windows. Otherwise you'll break my windows. Hope you enjoy our journey today. If you enjoy, please remember my name is Kira. If you didn't enjoy, let's see, you can just call me Hugo, yeah. Okay, my boat is completely stopped. Thank you, bye bye. Thank you, bye.